In news from Afghanistan, Afghan President Ashraf Ghani, while defending his administration's foreign policy legacy and peace plan, has said Afghanistan needs a dignified peace that could determine the country's bright future, but not a peace that could isolate the country in the international arena. The statement comes as efforts are underway in Doha to set a date for the UN-led Turkey conference, which is aimed at discussing Afghan peace.
Afghan President Ashraf Ghani, in a recorded message aired on Wednesday, defended his administration's foreign policy legacy and peace plan, arguing that Afghanistan needs a dignified peace that could determine the country's bright future, but not a peace that could isolate Afghanistan in the international arena. While explaining his peace plan, Ghani said that no one from outside Afghanistan will be allowed to designate the leader of the country. On the UN's role in Afghanistan, Ghani said the UN has no alternative but to play a role in peace building for Afghanistan. And the lasting peace and stability which are hoped to come to Afghanistan would need the guarantee of the UN Security Council and the entire international community. Meanwhile, the High Council for National Reconciliation on Wednesday said that the agenda of the upcoming UN-led conference on Afghanistan in Turkey will be outlined in a manner in which preference will be on the end of war, ceasefire, and the settlement of the conflict based on a joint agreement. This comes as efforts are underway in Doha to set a date for the Turkey conference. Involved parties have yet to reach an agreement on the time and agenda of the event.